Hello, this is Mandy with Scott Leroy Marketing, and today I'd like to show you how you can add a singular contact to your command on a desktop, laptop device. So there are other ways to import multiple contacts at a time, but sometimes maybe it's just one lead that you need to add, and this is how you would do it. So first you sign into your command. On the left-hand side, click on the Contacts tab. And then in the top right, click Create Contact. Now, if you're on a team, you may want to click your name first and toggle over to that team profile first so that you're in the team contacts. But if you are a solo agent, no worries about that. And so you go ahead and click Create Contact. From here, include the contact's first name. This is the only required piece to a lead. So you're not required to have an email and a phone number or any other piece of information as long as you have their first name. So you can put your full name here for the lead. So we will just say lead, make Leaderton. And then if you do have an email address, you can come and put them in here. Phone number as well, and choose what type of phone number it is. You can also put your lead source as well. Now you can select from the leads list that is already populated here, or maybe even select from your contacts if you met this person through a mutual person that's already in your database. You can mark them as a lead. That means you have not had that real estate conversation with them yet and had that true connect session. So if they are someone who knows you're in real estate, you've had the real estate conversation with them, that would be a contact and you do not need to mark them as a lead. If you have not had the real estate conversation, go ahead and mark them as a lead. You do have further options down here on the contact form to include adding tags if you would like, and you can add as many as you would like. You can add and remove these later as well. You can add any additional contact information. You can see that here. You also have an about section where you can add notes as well and other relationships that they may have with people that are in your command database. And also custom fields. You can create custom fields if there's things that you would like to know about your contacts, and then click Create. This will open up the contact profile, letting you know that you have created and added that contact to your command database, or a lead in this case, since we assume the conversation has not been had about real estate. And from here, you can make further edits, create opportunities, set them up on a smart plan, among other things like creating saved searches. We have tip videos for all of those items. Definitely check out our YouTube for those, or reach out to us at support@scottleroymarketing.com and we'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching.